I'm sitting in my apartment, feeling sad, feeling depressed, when all of a sudden I hear a train whistle in the distance. It goes like this. And I hear the train rolling down the tracks. So I hop in my car and I drive to the train station at midnight. And I stand there and I look at the trains going by. I wonder to myself, who's on these trains? Where are they going at midnight? What are they doing? It's really eerie. What is life? Where are these people going? Are they going into the city for fun? Are they going to work? Where are they going on their train trip? The train is rolling down the tracks. The train is rolling down the tracks. The train is an ancient mode of transportation. Little renovations have been done by the MTA. New tracks rarely get created. But you know what's interesting? People still ride the train in 2025 like they did in 1950. They ride the railroad, they ride the train. It's eerie. It's creepy standing at the train station at midnight, seeing the train come by in the foggy, cold, dark night. Seeing the train come by in the foggy, cold, dark night. I see a sign that says, if you're thinking about ending your life, if you're thinking about suicide by train, there's a hotline you can call. There's people you can talk to. So drive back home and go to bed. Drive back home and go to bed.